attention is more important than your IQ. Today we are going to talk about the hysteresis loop. What is the hysteresis loop? Hysteresis means lagging behind. It's not the history. It's hysteresis means lagging behind. In this loop, what we are going to study about a relation between H and B. Relation between magnetic field intensity and magnetic field. Here in this concept, the curve is non-linear. This concept tells us behavior of the material in the external magnetic field is quite interesting and informative. It's quite complex. Here in this concept, the curve is non-linear. This concept tells us the history of magnetic sample. When the rod of material, ferromagnetic material is kept in the solenoid, at the beginning, the ferromagnetic material is non-magnetized. It is represented by O in this graph. जब हम सोलेनॉइड के अंदर जब फेरोमैग्नेटिक मटेरियल रखा जाता है तो वो नॉन मैग्नेटाइज्ड स्टेट में होता है और इस ग्राफ में नॉन मैग्नेटाइज्ड स्टेट O पॉइंट से रिप्रेजेंट किया है. When current is passed through the solenoid, यह सोलेनॉइड, इस पर वाइंडिंग होती है, टर्न्स होते हैं. अगर मैं इसमें से करंट I पास करता हूं तो H इंक्रीज हो जाता है. जब H इंक्रीज होता है तो वैल्यू ऑफ B आल्सो इंक्रीजेस. H is increased, then B also increases. At certain value of H, B is maximum. That is called as saturation magnetization of the rod and is represented by A, small a. Now, let's decrease the value of H, means the current is decreasing. We are getting the graph here from A to B. We are reducing the current in a such a way that it is going to become 0, but the value of B is not 0. Value of B is not 0. This is called as retentivity or remanence. It is represented by letter small b. This is called as retentivity. Retentivity किसे कहा जाता है? जब मैं H की वैल्यू डिक्रीज करने जाता हूं तो B की वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो जाती है. डिक्रीज नहीं होती. B is not equal to 0. When H is equal to 0, when H is equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. This is called as retentivity or remanence. The value of B is not equal to 0. When H is increased, H is equal to 0, not increased. When the current is reversed, at the value of H, B becomes 0. This is called as coercivity. हमने करंट रिवर्स कर दिया है. करंट जाती है उसे कोएर्सिविटी कहा जाता है एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉल सी से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। When H is reverse current is increased, then at the value of H, the value of B becomes to 0. This is called as coercivity, is represented by letter C. Further, अगर मैं रिवर्स करंट बढ़ाता हूं तो हमें एक पॉइंट मिलेगा, उसे D पॉइंट कहा जाता है, उसे सैचुरेशन मैग्नेटाइजेशन कहा जाता है। सैचुरेशन मैग्नेटाइजेशन कहा जाता है। सैचुरेशन मैग्नेटाइजेशन along the path D, when H is decreased, B also decreases. Along the path D, when H is decreased, B also decreases. D path के along जब मैं H डिक्रीज करता हूँ, करंट डिक्रीज करता हूँ, तो B की वैल्यू भी डिक्रीज हो जाती है। लेकिन at this point E, when H, the value of H, B is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. This is called as retentivity. Further, the current is increased. We are getting the graph EFA, and the hysteresis loop is completed. What is the hysteresis loop? Hysteresis loop is to find the relation between H and B. It is a non-linear curve. जब मैं करंट बढ़ाता हूं तो H इंक्रीज हो जाता है, जब H इंक्रीज होता है तो B इंक्रीज होता है और हमें A पॉइंट मिलता है। जब हम और भी H इंक्रीज करते हैं तो B की वैल्यू इंक्रीज नहीं होती, उस पॉइंट को हम सैचुरेशन मैग्नेटाइजेशन ऑफ द रॉड कहते हैं। A पॉइंट्स रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है। जब हम करंट डिक्रीज करने जाते हैं फर्दर, at the value of H, the value of B doesn't become 0. That point is called as retentivity, or it is represented by letter B. It is represented by letter B. OB is called as retentivity. When the current is reversed in the solenoid, at the value of H, the value of B is going to become 0. Then this is called as coercivity, is represented by letter C. And when the reverse current is increased, we get the saturation point B, saturation magnetization. Saturation magnetization. Along the path D, when H is decreased, B also decreases. And point E, here at the value of H, B is not equal to 0. जब B की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होती और H वैल्यू को हम क्या कहते हैं? Retentivity. Further, the reverse current is increased. We are getting the graph EFA. जब मैं रिवर्स करंट बढ़ाता हूं तो हमें EFA ग्राफ मिलता है और इस A पॉइंट को सैचुरेशन मैग्नेटाइजेशन ऑफ द रॉड कहा जाता है और ये हिस्टेरेसिस लूप कंप्लीट हो जाता है। लेट्स स्टॉप।